This is a 1 minute maximal push-up test, so you can either do this with the knees down or the knees up. However you record your results, just make sure that you put a note next to it where if you do the knees down, then you know that that's your baseline. If you can do it with the knees up, that's great. I would recommend that you get something like yoga blocks to place underneath your chest so that every time you do a push-up, you're going to exactly the same height. That way you don't start cheating towards the end of the test. So all you're doing, it's exactly what it sounds like. You're gonna do a push-up, you come back up, and you're just lowering to that same height every single time, either from your knees or with your knees lifted. There's a decent chance that if you try your knees lifted, that a lot of people are not even gonna, the last 30 seconds or so, you're probably gonna be able to get like 1 or 2 push-ups because you're so tired, and that is okay. The point here is to say, you've got a minute, do as many as you can, and make sure your chest touches the blocks, and make sure you use the same height of blocks or some kind of barrier when you reassess yourself in a month or 3 months or whenever you're trying to see if you have improved. Okay, this is a way of test yourself, then go train and get stronger, and then test yourself again and see if you've improved. Okay, so I will try it with my knees up, and I guess we'll see how I do. So have a timer set for 1 minute, and 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, well, that was hard. I got 74. And you notice if you watched that there were times where I had to pause, put my knees down, or just wait for a second. That's fine. All of that is time that you'll be able to get more repetitions in the next time you test, because the next time you test, you should be stronger. So write down your level and make sure that you put a note if you had your knees down, perfectly fine. Oh, and I didn't mention it, but I should have. Your arms could be out to the sides, kind of out here, in by your elbows, whatever. I like a nice middle distance. So whatever's comfortable for your arms is fine. Just make sure you do it the same way the next time you test yourself. Thanks for watching.